Use the key to remove the battery. Press and hold the powered on button for 15 seconds to discharge the residual electrical energy. Remove the wire passing plug of the left-hand taillight. Pull out the terminal of the taillight wire. Disconnect the terminal. Use a 3mm hex key to unscrew the 4 screws that fix the lower housing of the taillight. Remove the rubber plug. Slowly pull out the wire harness. Remove the upper shell of the taillight. Thread the wire harness through the round hole in the upper shell of the taillight. Straighten the wire harness. Thread it into the cargo rack. Install the taillights with the raised parts facing upwards. Put it into the card slot of the lower cover of the taillight. Install the taillights. Tighten the 4 fixing screws. Thread the wire harness through the flat surface of the rubber plug. Align the protrusion with the notch and insert the terminal. Push the wire harness backwards into the frame. Install the rubber plug. Install the battery.